Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the MatchMaster Precision Case Trimmer. We'll cover how to trim your brass, dial in your trim length, and switch between cartridges for a perfect and repeatable trim, chamfer, and deburr every time.
Made to perform. Built to last. For the shooter who refuses to compromise. This isn't just reloading. This is MatchMaster.
Start by determining the target trim length for your brass. Referencing a reloading manual or trusted online data source, find the trim length for your cartridge. Make sure your motor is powered off and the containment guard is installed. Slide your carriage assembly back and turn your handle counterclockwise. Just enough so you can insert an untrimmed case into the handle. Rotate your handle to grab the case. This closes the collet in the handle on the case. Slide the case all the way forward into the cutter head until the case mouth stops on the two blades. No need to press hard. Adjust your MatchMaster micrometer under the carriage assembly until it contacts your micrometer stop. Note the value on the micrometer. This is your reference starting point. Each marking on the micrometer is 1/1000th of an inch, so you can fine-tune your brass length adjustments with real, repeatable precision. Back your case up. Turn on your motor, and then push forward to trim your case. You'll feel the cutter head engage and hear it trim, deburr, and chamfer your case mouth. Push until the cutter is done. You know you're done when there's no more brass shavings coming off the case. Back up and release your case into the provided bin, then measure it. To get your trim length right, adjust the micrometer clockwise to reduce case length. For example, if you need to remove 5/1000ths from your case length, you'll rotate your micrometer and land on the 5th graduation marking. Test out your adjustment on a different untrimmed case until you're hitting your desired trim length. Once your length is correct, you can knock out a batch of brass in no time at all. Perfectly trimmed and on to the next step in your reloading process. You can also adjust the 3-way cutter head itself to change the deburr or chamfer on your case mouth. We'll cover how to adjust your cutter head in another video. Switching cartridges? No problem. Swap out your pilot for the appropriate caliber and, if needed, use a different collet in your handle. While the included number 1 collet covers cartridges like .223 Remington, 6.5 Creedmoor, 30-06 Springfield, .308 Winchester, and many more, we offer number 2, number 3, and number 4 collets separately for reloaders seeking to trim other cartridges, like the number 2 collet for 30-30 Winchester, the number 3 collet for the PRC family, as well as the .28 Nosler, and the number 4 collet for .338 Lapua Mag, and others. Adjust the micrometer using the steps we've shown you for the new case length, adjusting your cutter head blades if needed, and you're back in business, ready to trim a different cartridge. Should you wish to minimize changeover and setup when trimming a new cartridge, RCBS offers additional cutter heads and pilots. Many reloaders keep a cutter head setup for each caliber they reload. The MatchMaster Precision Case Trimmer is a game changer for anyone serious about hand loading and looking to minimize their case prep while maximizing their consistency and accuracy. Stay tuned for additional videos on our MatchMaster Trimmer, including a deep dive instructional on how to adjust your cutter head's blades. If you have any comments, drop them below. For more, check out the MatchMaster Case Trimmer on RCBS.com.